I'm back with another video, and today, as I told you, I already made the mic video, and oh my god, let me tell them to stop. Okay, guys, I just told them to be a little quiet. They're not really that quiet, but hopefully you can't hear them in the background like they were. So, yeah, and I'm very happy to have my mic. It works so much. Like, thank you so much, Daddy. I just literally want to squeeze you so bad, like hug you so tight and kiss you all over your face. Because I'm so happy. Like, I am just gonna, guys, cover your ears as I'm about to scream. Okay, just cover your, this account's chat has been such a bubble chat. What? What? Okay, guys, I'm in such a big shock right now. I never did a single thing. Like, guys, seriously, what the heck just happened? I'm so happy. My mom's probably doing something scary. She always threatens us with fire. And, does stuff like that. She threatens us with bugs and that stuff. She's not an abuser or anything, I'm just saying. She likes to play around all the time, which makes it very annoying. But what the heck? I just lost my chat. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. See? Oh, this is so annoying. I'm just so sorry, guys. That you just have to hear that. That's like so embarrassing. I hate when that happens. Gosh, so embarrassing. Yeah, but I literally just hate when that happens. It's like so embarrassing. So, okay, guys. So yeah, so I don't know. In today's video, I'm probably just gonna be hanging around or doing something stupid, like I always kind of do. Not really. So spooky spirit is on. So spooky spirit is on. Yay! So spooky spirit. Sorry for that. So spooky spirit. So spooky. Oh my god. Stop! I can't even make a freaking video. My god. This is unbelievable. I'm literally gonna freaking kick their butts if they don't shut up. Gosh. Like, unfreaking believable. Ugh. I'm gonna just pop one of them beside the head because yeah, I feel sad. I feel sad. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't, guys. I swear, I didn't do anything. I don't even know why I even got suspended. Like, I literally don't know why. Like, there shouldn't even be a reason why I even got suspended. Like, seriously? Like seriously? Amberton? You have to do this to me? This really? Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm trying to collect sparkly bows as well. At least I'm trying to collect everything, especially flower crowns. Like, really flower crowns. So then, like, yeah. Anything else I want on your trade list? Probably not, exactly. Sure. Not really cool or anything. Sorry. got a feeling. Yeah. Is he saying anything? 'Cause I don't know. I don't know what he says. I got a feeling. How do I tell I'm using bubble chat? God, oh my God, I'm about to, guys, if they don't stop, I'm going to. Yeah, people like that always say that it's not fair. Like people who are constantly collecting that, they always say, who's messaging me stuff? Play around. What? So yeah, that was it for this video. And you're probably like, this is probably the most shortest video you've ever made. This is like literally 6 minutes long. But yeah, got something really sad. So I'm not gonna be making these videos at least for a day, because I don't play Animal Jam when my chat is gone. So yeah, I'm not gonna be making videos for a whole day. So I'm only gonna make videos starting tomorrow. So if you wanna know when the videos are coming, I'm not gonna be making videos for like a long time. Oh my. You know what, guys? Let me just go ahead and go shoot myself in the freaking head. I'm like sick of this. Yeah, I'm gonna go just shoot myself in the freaking head. I'll be right back. Cause I'm not kidding. I will shoot myself in the head. It's ridiculous. It won't let me say, yeah, I'm not playing Animal Jam. I'm not playing Animal Jam today. I'm not playing Animal Jam. I'm making Animal Jam videos. But I will be making videos, but just not Animal Jam videos. But I don't know what videos I'm going to probably be doing. I don't know. But whatever, so. I'm so mad right now. Oh my God, I didn't even notice I had 40 items. It's weird. See, I'm trying to collect. I don't know why I'm collecting garden hats. I thought they were beta, but not anymore. Yeah. I don't know. I like this garden hat. I like everybody's wearing garden hats. I don't know why. They're just snazzy on the foxes, aren't they? Okay, guys. Well, that's it. That was it for this video. You're not even going to be in here, so it shouldn't matter to you. Oh yeah, so that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and bye-bye.